Hi guys.
Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today we have something very special.
This home is located in a small town in the province of Campobasso in our beloved region of Molise. It is perfectly located between the Adriatic Sea and the mountains, so that you can enjoy relaxing days at the beach in Termoli while also being well connected to a bigger city such as Campobasso. For further information, including our finder's fee for this property, please contact us via our website. Okay guys, so this is the fantastic house we're going to look at today. As you can see, we're going to have a look at an awesome view from the back balconies, then a garage over there and two cantinas just around there. We are in a super central part of town. The post office is just over here, and over our left we're going to have the pharmacy and the alimentare, which is like a mini market where people can get basic products like meats, cheeses, pasta, and so on. Here we have our main bedroom, and behind that we have a bathroom and another bedroom. And at this level we have our living, our dining, our kitchen, and an awesome balcony. Through these stairs we will access our first floor and then our attic. In this house we have pellets, gas, and wood. So all the systems have been installed. We have a window that faces the scusa. We have a window that faces the front of the house, and this super cute little area at the front. We have a radiator there, and this little cove they have used as a study area. This window over here faces the side of the house, as you can see there. Over here, if we open, we will access the cantina. We'll check that out a bit later. And over here we have our kitchen and dining. This window over here again faces this side of the house, and we have double windows, which is great. Oh, there's a beautiful breeze today. I can't wait to show you that view there from the balcony. And then we have our balcony with a gorgeous view of the town right there. Down there we have our garage, which we'll check out towards the end of the video. And behind the garage there is a strip of garden. So for you to bring your car, you just come on the side street and then enter through there. Now they used to have the washing machine here. It's a nice little spot for that. The connection to the water there. We have a window. Oh wow, look at this. Take it all in. Okay, from here, let's go back inside and go to our first floor, where we're going to find the main bedroom, a second bedroom, and the bathroom. Super comfortable stairs. Now we access our main bedroom, and that window is facing the side of the street. And if we turn around a little, we're going to see the super cute balcony this way. So let's go this way first. The houses in this town are very well kept. It's actually very popular with foreigners. We were just chatting before with an Englishman who opened a very nice bed and breakfast, very much needed in this town. And he was saying how the administration of the town, the council, is very welcoming for people from overseas. So that's always good to know. It's always great to know that you are wanted in a place. All the windows have shutters and fly screens. It's just that the owners have opened the whole thing for us to be able to see properly, for the house to get a lot of light. Very nice sized bedroom. And from here, let's go up to the attic. The roof is actually new. So pretty much if you move in, you wouldn't have anything to do in this house. The windows are pretty new, the roof is new, and this space in the attic is fantastic for storage. Let's see how high it is. Just gonna put you down here. I am 152 centimeters and I can stand completely. There is not much space though, so you wouldn't be using this as a bedroom or anything like that, and I don't think you'll need to. It's just fantastic for storage, suitcases, anything that you can think of. Let's check out the second bedroom and the first bathroom.
If you enjoy our content, please consider supporting us on Patreon. From only $3.50 a month, you can help us create the content you love. I will leave the link in the description section of this video. Grazie mille.
Comfortable. You may want to put another step here. The internal doors are nice. The outer doors, have I mentioned they were replaced recently? So this one is actually wood and the shutters are aluminum. And we have double glazed windows here. Okay, let's continue this way. If we turn right, we're going to have the stairs to go to the kitchen, the living, and the entrance. If we turn left, we're going to have a second bedroom and a bathroom. Now, this big built-in was built by the owner for the kids, and he will take this unit with them when they move out. So you're gonna have a nice size second bedroom with, ta-da, an awesome balcony that way. Look at that view. And then if we turn a little to the left, we're going to find another window, beautiful window, and that one faces the side of the house. The shutters are closed at the moment, but we can see that this room has a lot of light and the cross ventilation is fantastic. If we keep coming over here, we're gonna have a little step and then we get to the balcony. And this view is just unbelievable. Again, from here we see our garage again, and you can see the door a little bit better now. Very nice shutters. Nice length to this balcony. I ask, actually, since many of you ask, we have fiber here. Is this the dish for the fiber? Dimensione, yes. So this company, Dimensione, we have it ourselves at home. It offers great speed and is not too expensive. It's about 25 euros a month. So imagine this room without that built-in. We're going to put the measurements on the screen, of course. Once it's gone, it's gonna make the room look a lot bigger. Beautiful doors, you guys. Many of you have asked us lately why we haven't been saying the names of certain towns. We know it can be a little bit frustrating for you, but we have explained in different videos in certain towns is because we have been asked to keep the towns private and the homes private for the privacy of the owners. Some of these homes, people are living in them, people are renting them out, and believe it or not, there has been a couple of occasions when some of our viewers have knocked on the door.
Yeah, they just turn up.
Just turn up. So yes, we want to do the best by everyone. If you're interested in a particular house and we don't tell you the name of the town, feel free to write to us. We're very responsive with emails.
Yes, we certainly are. Now, in just a note to that, side note, it's really important that people don't just turn up and go to people's homes, because they've entrusted us and the real estates that we work with to keep their privacy. So please contact us and the house and we'll give you the contact. So that's not a problem at all.
So in saying that, we hope that you enjoyed this video and all the other videos to come. Okay, from here, let's check out the bathroom. We have a very nice bathroom, large enough for a tub, a shower, a toilet, a bidet, a sink, pretty large sink. And here we have a window to the back. So these faces, as you can see, oh yes, we can see that. The hills, gorgeous hills of our beloved Molise. This house, you guys, is moving ready. As you can see, the price point is fantastic and the views are unbelievable. And it's just so comfortable having mainly these 2 floors of living and a garage, balconies, and a bit of a garden. It doesn't get better than this. Did I mention that the stairs are super comfortable? Probably I did, but I'll mention it again. Okay, now we're back again on the ground floor. To the left we have our main door, and to the right we'll have our kitchen and the rest of our living. So we're just gonna go downstairs to the cantina. Okay, now you can see that nice door to the kitchen. we have closed it so that you guys could see better what it looks like. And now when we go down to our cantina, you're going to be surprised by what you will see. Nice stairs, nice and comfortable. A little bit of a nook here under the stairs to go up. It's just awesome to have so many different spots for storage. I'm just going to turn around so that you can see behind me for context. We just came from there. That's the door to the kitchen. Now, this is our first cantina. Look at these ceilings, you guys. And it just gets better. Let's finish coming all the way down here. Okay. I have just turned left. These are the stairs. They feel very, very steady and comfortable. Enough space there for a freezer. And we have the gorgeous exposed stone here. Perfect place for your sugo. When you do your tomato sauce, when you try to do your preserves, sausages, cheeses, the temperature here is amazing. Outside is probably 25, 26 degrees already. Today is going to be a day of 30 degrees, but down here it feels like it's 18. Okay, so fantastic room. They have a washing machine here, so you can have the washing machine here or on the balcony, on the first balcony as I showed you before. And then we have water, of course, and drainage here. Remember that it's very common for Italians to have a second kitchen. So that's that. We're gonna go there in a second, but first, if we turn left, we're going to see our bathroom, a second bathroom, always fantastic to have. Now, I'm going to explain to you about this humidity here, which is not humidity. Pretty much there was a tube on the outside of the street that was leaking, and it took a while for that tube to be replaced, but now it has been replaced. Now the problem has been sorted, and that's pretty much something that remained from the previous issue. This house doesn't feel damp at all. You don't see any humidity besides this, which is water damage from previously, as I mentioned. You don't see any water damage or any humidity. It's just a really nice, homely house that feels lived in, while at the same time having the character that we all love so much. So it really has the best of both worlds. It's a very, very real house. When we come over here, we have another area with gorgeous voltine, little vaults, and you can see there, as you can see there. And then over here, again, the little vaults. And they use this usually as a summer kitchen, but we also have the fireplace there. So you have two fireplaces in the house that run with wood pellets, and you also have gas and you have wood. So the owners have really thought about having options when it comes down to how to heat your home. Beautiful room. Probably a few of you, once I show you the door, which is right here, another door that takes us to the side of the house. That's the street there, or one of the bigger streets. And then that's our garage. So probably some of you, as I was saying before, will think that this could be a nice rental apartment or a spot for your family and friends. And you're right, you have a private entrance, you have a bathroom, you have a kitchen, you have windows, so it is perfect for that. You have heating. Can't wait to know what you think about this house. Then we find a very large window facing the back. You still get a nice view from here, even though we are like below the ground floor, pretty much below the street level. Super nice windows like before. Very nice fireplace. Below us, there is another cantina, which is used mainly for storage, but it is beautiful as well. And then let's check that one out, and then let's check out the garage. Okay, so if we come over here, a couple of steps. We have our first cantina there, like a self-contained area, let's call it. And then over here we have the balcony that's on the kitchen level. And then we have the other balcony there, which is on the second bedroom. Ciao, bello. Hello. May I enter your castle? Thank you. Again, beautiful ceilings here, waiting to be exposed if you decide to expose it. Perfect spot for your wood storage. Plus, we also have water and drainage here. Again, the temperature here feels unbelievable. Super cool. And we have electricity. Maybe this one will be a nicer spot to store your wine, so that you don't take up too much room from the area above us, that self-contained area. Okay, what's behind here? No, just a piece of plastic. Nothing special. Okay, let's go back this way and let's go back to the main entrance of the house. Grazie, piccolo. Ciao. Let's check out the garage, and from the garage let's go up through the side of the house and access again through the main entrance. Hey guys, so the street is there and you'll come down here, and this is your garage, about 19 to 20 square meters. The dog doesn't come with the house. And if we enter over here, we're going to see, you'll see the space look large enough for a tractor, and lots of storage. And if we go around here, we're going to find a little space for an orto. So it's pretty much a little garden. You have the door through here. How many square meters do we have here? And it's fenced. Actually, we were just told that this house was purchased by an English family. Then you have enough space, plenty of space for tomatoes, chilies. It's super peaceful here, you guys. Okay, so how about the size of that garage? You all by now will know how rare it is to find a garage in a historical town, and especially a usable garage. I'm gonna stop here to look at the house from the side. Here we have one of the windows on the first cantina and the door to our first cantina. Let's call it the self-contained area. This mark that you see here is the water tube that we were talking about. Actually, that's the window to the bathroom in that area, now that I think of it. Here we have a window in our living area, formal living area. And here we have a window in the kitchen. Then we have a window in our main bedroom, and then our second bedroom over here.
Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope that you enjoyed it. As always, please let us know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you so much to our patrons for their generosity. Your extra support is humbling and very much appreciated. We have a lot more content for you to enjoy. If you would like to continue watching our home tours, please click here. If you would like to see our own home and renovation story, click here. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Ciao!